Hello, welcome to my Abacus learning channel. This is technique number 6. We are doing multiplication on the Abacus episode 6, and for the very first time we are going to multiply 3 digits by 1 digit, and hope you can understand. And please do not comment on my English language. English is not my mother tongue. So let's start with these exercises. 689 multiplied by 4. Count all the digits in your question. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is my marked rod. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm starting from here. 6 fours are 24. 2 in this rod and 4 in this rod, and change pointed rod. 8 fours are 32. 3 and 2, so we don't have 3 bits, so we have to borrow this 5 to add 3, borrow 5 and reduce 20 to add 3 in this rod and 2 in this rod. Change your position. 9 fours are 36 and 3 and 6. To add 3 in this rod, borrow 5 and reduce 2, and 6 is in this rod. Change your position. We finished our job and our answer is 2, 7, 5, 6. Another question. 134 multiplied by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. I'm starting from here. You have to start to multiply from the biggest position. 1 2s are 2, so you can't place that 2 here because 2 is the first position, so you have to place in this rod. In this pointed rod you can place only 10th position's answer. 2 is only one digit. 0, 2, this 2, and change your position. 3 2s are 6. Put 0 in front of it. 0, 6. Change your position. 4 2s are 8. 0, 8. 0 here and 8 in this rod. Change your position. We came this marked rod and our answer is 268. 210 multiplied by 4. 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. Starting from here. 2 4s are 8. 0, 8. Change your position. 1 4s are 4. 0, 4. Change your position. And 0 4s are 0, so nothing to move, just move your finger and your answer is 840. And last one, 765 multiplied by 8. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 7 8s are 56. 56. Change position. 6 8s are 48. So we have only 3 value left here, so we have to borrow this. To add 4 here you have to reduce 6 and add this one. This is how to borrow 10 or how to borrow 100 for the addition and subtraction. Please watch my episode 5 of addition and subtraction to know in detail about this rule. We added 40 here and next is 8 in this rod, so move your finger and 5 8s are 40. So again we need 4 and 0, so to add 4 in this rod, first you have to reduce 6 from this rod and add this one, and 0 is, you don't need to move anything, just move your finger. We came this marked rod and our answer is 6120. If you want to do multiplication on the abacus, you have to be mastered on addition and subtraction techniques. Please do these exercises by yourself. If you have any problem, please comment me. I will make a video and post only for you, and keep learning. Next video will be next technique. See you then. Ta-ta.